Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 49 is a condenser is used as a heat exchanger in a large steam power plant in which steam is condensed to liquid water. The condenser is a shell and tube heat exchanger which consists of one shell and 20,000 tubes. The water flows through each of tubes at a rate of 1 kilogram per second with an inner temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. The steam in the condenser shell condenses at the rate of 430 kg per second at a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. If the heat of evaporation is 2.326 megajoule per kg, the specific heat of water is 4 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. The effectiveness of heat exchanger is dash, rounded up to 3 decimal places. So here first of all balancing heat, so heat taken by coolant will be equal to heat of evaporation or heat of condensation, because here latent heat of evaporation is given, so the heat of evaporation and heat of condensation is same. So coolant is of specific heat 4 kilojoule per kilogram and its mass is 1 into 20,000, because there are 20,000 tubes and in each tube the mass flow rate is 1 kilogram per second and its initial temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So T1 is 30 degrees Celsius and T2 we have to find out. And heat of evaporation or heat of condensation is mass of the steam that is being condensed is 430 kg per second and heat of evaporation per kg is 2.326. So it will be 430 into 2.326 as in megajoule, to convert it into joule, that is 10 power 6. From this we can find out T2, so T2 comes out as 42.5 because T1 is 30. So now this T1 is 30, T2 is 42.5 and this is the temperature at which steam is condensing. And effectiveness is actual heat transfer divided by maximum possible heat transfer. Actual heat transfer is this, so converting it into kilojoule, here 10 power 6, so 4 kilojoule we are taking 10 power 3. And maximum, for maximum possible heat transfer will take C minimum, capital C minimum. C minimum is mass into specific heat. So mass into specific heat is mass is 20,000 kilogram per second and C is your 4. So in condensation or evaporation the C is maximum. So if whenever there is condensation, so we will take the other coolant, the whose temperature is increasing or decreasing. Okay, so that is your C minimum, and we'll take the difference of maximum temperature and minimum temperature. So here the maximum temperature is of steam and minimum temperature is of coolant. So that is 50 minus 30. So formula is C minimum P max minus P minimum. So effectiveness comes out as 0.625. So answer is 0.625.